Hey everyone, we have an exciting video for today. We got the new RV Lock Atlas that's designed for Class A and Class C RVs. The one that we bought before was designed for a Class A that had at least 1 3/4 back set. That's the space here between the door and the handle, the edge of the door and the handle, where our Encore only had 1 inch. This new Atlas keyless entry system from RV Lock is designed to fit universally, no matter what the backset is. So we're going to install it for you today. We paid for it. It's not a free product placement, so we're going to do an honest assessment. We're going to stick it into the Encore, and let's go check it out. All right, here it is. Nice product manual with stickers. Oh, look at that. Protected by RV Lock. Probably not going to stick that on the outside of my coach, but it might go on our sticker board. This thing's got some weight to it. It's definitely metal. It's all metal. The numbers are rubber. But it's got a little weight to it. The deadbolt looks good. Handle inside looks good. It's got a USB-C port on the inside of it. And here are the accessories. Keys. These are unpickable keys as well. Or almost unpickable. We got 2 key fobs. I guess his and hers key fobs. We have a USB-A to USB-C. This is a recharging cable. And here are the adjustments for the universal back set. All right, let's get into this. This thing's gonna pop out straight. Hey guys, we did it. We installed it. It was so easy to stick into the Encore, even with the extra parts. It literally is a plug and play. You take off the old lock, put the new lock on. Programming was simple. It came with 2 remotes, key fobs. It's plugged in charging right now. It charges from either the inside or the outside. They claim that the charge lasts between 4 and 6 months, depending on the weather and obviously how much you use the lock. Comes with a nice long USB-C cable. Easily reaches inside the coach. And like I said, it's charging right now. It was so easy to program, so easy to install, and it works way smoother than the original factory lock. And best yet, I don't need to carry any keys. Thanks for watching.